How to add extras on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add extras on Turo. Adding extras on Turo is a great way to enhance your rental experience and potentially earn more as a host. And this is how to get about it. So the first step is for you to launch your Turo application or log in into your Turo website, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, the next step is for you to navigate to the vehicles section, to select the car you would like to add extras to. All right, so as a host, your page will be different from mine because I am currently a guest, not a host. So once you're a host, by the right side of the screen, when you click on the profile icon, you'll see the vehicles section. All right, or locate where the vehicle section is on your interface. Once you located the vehicle section, click on it, and then the list of vehicles that you have uploaded on Turos would be displayed. Then you have to select the vehicle that you want to add extras to, and then once you selected the vehicle, you'll be taken to the vehicles listing page. So tap on the extras tab. All right, so once you do that, browse through the available extras, which include child safety seats, GPS, prepaid refill, etc., and select the ones you want to offer. So by selecting the ones you want to offer, you'll be asked to, set a price for each extra. Prices can range from $0 to $999 and can be set per day or per trip. Okay, so take note of that. Then write clear and attractive descriptions for each extra to help guests understand what they are getting. Then save your changes to update your listings with the new extra. So for example, I'm going to show you a listing that has profitable extras. So for example, I'm going to Heathrow Airport and I selected a time and a date, and cars available for those days will be displayed. So once they are displayed, I would show you certain vehicles that have those extras displayed. So this is an example, a Land Rover range. By scrolling down, you can now see the extras tab, and then you can see the extra that's been added, which is child safety seat. So it is okay by you as a guest. You can just go ahead and select this. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to add that extra today. Have a good day.